Okay, so I've got the guitar body up on the bench. Now I'm starting with a 280 grit paper, as I said. Now important here, you want to use a sanding block. I've got a cork sanding block here. What you really want is cork or hardwood, something that won't conform. So say you do have bumps or any issues on the surface, you don't want your block to actually conform to that. You want to sand it flat. Now, as I said, this is basswood. It's a soft wood, so I wouldn't press hard. Just let the sandpaper do most of the work. And we're just sanding with the grain, obviously, as well. So you really don't want to press too hard here. No, I just repeat that until I'm happy with that, and then I would move up to the next grade, which would be 320, and then work up to 400. I would don't just go straight to 400. You really do want the sandpaper not to have to work too hard. So essentially, once you've sanded out any blemishes or marks using the 240, 280, you really are just removing the previous marks left from the previous grade of sandpaper you've used. Now, curves can be a little more difficult. I sometimes use a more flexible block there that will conform to the corners a little bit more. Now, don't worry too much about sanding with the grain on the sides. That's end grain usually, so you can go up and down if you need to. It's often a lot easier. And the other thing, some of these horns and things like these areas are difficult to sand, obviously. So what I would usually recommend is using something like an eraser and wrapping a little bit of sandpaper around that, like so. And that'll allow you to get into some of those harder to reach areas. You can also wrap it in something like a water bottle or something like that to get to some of these larger circular areas around the horn. Now with the top, if you've got a maple top, for example, you still want to go this way. Now I know you see a flame maple top, you'll see it book matched and coming out from the middle like so. The grain actually still runs this way, so you still want to sand like this. Now, as I said, remember this is a fairly soft wood. You want the sandpaper to just do the job for you. You really don't want to have to work too hard. And just work your way through the grades as we said before.